Good job. Do it again. Good job. Awesome. Hey, you want to swim to brother?
And I can do it on the stairs.
No, you can't do it on the stairs. Hey, why don't you swim to Bo?
And I can do it right here.
No, no, no. You knock your noggin. Hey, hey, Bo, let sister swim to you. Tori, go swim to brother. You an Ariel?